Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I am going to show you how to log into Seesaw and complete activities on Seesaw. So everyone should have a Seesaw instruction sheet and it tells you how to log into Seesaw. So the first thing is you go to the seesaw.com on a computer, or you can install the Seesaw class app on an iPad or on an Android device. Then you're going to log in and click I'm a student. So you click Login, you click I'm a student. And then you can either choose to scan the QR code that's given to you, or you can type in the text code that is given to you. So you click text code and you can type in your text code and click go, or you can scan the code and it will log you in. So when you click go, you log in to your child and it logs you into your child's classroom. So right now, this is the journal. So the journal, you can add something. You can add a photo, a drawing, a video. You can upload something. You can write a note, or you can add a link. Then you click Activities to view the activities that the teacher put up. So when it says Activities, you view the activity, you read the directions. You can click the link to view the video if there's a link. When you're ready to complete the activity, you click Add Response. If you need to read the directions again, you view the directions, and then your child can complete the activity. So we're going to match. They complete the activity, and when they're done, they click the green check mark. And it will say, waiting for teacher approval. So that means your child's activity has been submitted to the teacher and they will respond back to you. When your activities are done and your child has completed them, you can just exit it out of Seesaw or close down the app and you are completed. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at msunderman@justkidseclc.org. Thank you.